Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Icrt客家風 here on Icrt FM 100.Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling Lim Zepsiu, and this is the month of September, which means most people who are students are back to school. 这个月呢，对学生们来讲呢，会有一点，也不能说痛苦啦，只是说有些人觉得要开学了，要回学校了啊。但也有很多同学是很喜欢回去学校的，
对，可以念书，
对，又可以念书，又可以见到你的老朋友，对不对 ？Okay, so let's teach you words, phrases associated with returning back to school because this is that month. 我们第一个就叫开学好了哈。
好
The beginning of school, all right? 开学。
開學
Okay, that's the beginning of school. 那再来学校就会有老师，对不对？而且这个月还有教师节，
对，
所以一定要教老师怎么说。
老师怎么说？
欣賞，
对呀，
对，欣賞 Very good, because Alice is my teacher. She just quizzed me on how to say teacher, and 我100分哦。
哎，对，
欣賞。
好，那我现在教你海陆腔的老师。
Okay.
欣賞，
欣賞 Okay, that's a different dialect for teacher. 谢谢 Alice 老师。再来呢，就是放学。Okay, that's the end of school, or rather, the end of a school day.
中學，
中學要飆回家的感觉了。中學 Okay.
放学了。
放學了 That's the end of the school day. All right. Let's go ahead and make a phrase out of one of these terms. 因为这个月有教师节。This month on the 28th, it's Teacher's Day, or some people like to call it Confucius Day. 有人说是孔子节嘛，对不对？好，那我们来祝老师們呢教師節快樂。
Okay.
Let's teach you how to say Happy Teacher's Day to all the teachers out there.
祝欣賞，
祝欣賞，
教師節快樂。
教師節快樂。教師節了，它不是老師了本來是欣賞是老師，可是教師節就變
教師節。
教師節 Okay, 教師 is actually another term to say teacher in a more respectable way. Okay, 教師，因為他要教導我們。Okay, that's how to say Happy Teacher's Day. Let's go ahead and review these terms. 開學 beginning of school.
開學，
開學 and then 老師欣賞 and then finally end of a school day 放學嘍中學 and there you have it. It's all about Icrt客家風 right here on Icrt.
師母大家，
俺是誰張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.